Alright, we're going to replace this whole entire sunroof assembly out of this 2008 Outback Legacy. These are your little drip systems for the water drainage. Make sure you put those back in after pulling them out. They just pull out. There's a bunch of 10s here. Here. I usually would leave one here for now. Take the rest of these out. Some 10s here. Some more 10s here. This bracket's in the way, and that bracket's over there, so this bracket has to come off. Oh shit, whoa. So you gotta remove this. There's one here. Then we gotta move to the other side. Nothing's come down. I got one 10 holding it up there so it don't come falling down your head. There's one back here. There's a 10 back here. Bolts behind this thing. There's this bracket needs to come out of the way, and there's two 10s holding it. So you might have to drop the curtain airbag to make life a little easier on the back end sides, because this stuff's in the way. I have a feeling it wants to be moved out of the way. You could just pull this plastic down. These are held by clips, so just pull with your hand. You can use a clip remover if you want. Move this out of the way a little bit. The longer bolts go for the airbag stuff. The shorter bolts go for the sunroof, so you can't really miss it. You can probably, it's a 50-50 on the removing this piston out of the way to get to this bracket, but well, I just answered my own question. So lift up on it and you can slide the bracket out without having to pull this out. Just make sure you put all the bolts back in. There's another one of these drip systems in the back right here. You get a screwdriver and push it out. or you can force it out like that. Make sure when you put the headliner back in, you put these on. Wintertime, you're gonna get a big puddle. You're gonna wonder what happened. Is because you forgot to put these on. Same ordeal on this side, but since the other side we figured out I can get by taking these two bolts out, cheating without. This is pretty much ready to come out, minus the back. Here's where you go get help from, get another person when you pull this down to help you with it, because that's coming down. Let me get back here. I don't know if you can see them. Before you take these out, let's make sure we get this last. Okay, that's out of the way. Let's drop this one bolt. When the whole headliner wants to come down. There's one more bolt up front. Remember I told you guys leave? This is why you guys should get a friend to help you with this part, because there it is. All because this track slide system on this side is messed up.